Okay, kung wala, I'll start with the situation. So welcome to the first campaign and first operation ng campaign ng na Ziwas Sugo. So yung operation na to, pinangalanan ng Daluyong. So situation na ito is after more than a decade of operating underground dito sa bayan ng Siwasugo, yung Maute Group is formally pledged sa allegiance ng ISIS. Tapos naka-receive sila ng mga funding, equipment, and support from the foreign extreme network. In response, PNP tsaka yung AFP nag-launch ng raid. Tinatarget yung mga senior Maute leader. Pero dahil dun sa operation na yon, na-disrupt yung enemy activities pero nakatakas yung senior Maute leader. After makatakas, 1 week later is nag-launch ng large-scale offensive si Maute. So, yung presidente is nag-declare na ng martial law and inatasan tayo, Task Force Stingray, to establish a foothold tapos yung mga future offensive operations natin. Task Force Stingray will conduct an amphibious assault to secure the designated beachhead, establish a secure area of operation, and pag-construct ng FOB sa Aguinaldo para sa mga future na offensive operation. Maintain positive identification before engaging targets since maybe hindi pa confirm pero sa mga recon natin is merong civilian. Ayan, si Sir Marchie na yung magbibigay ng pinaka-plan pagdating sa operation.
Alright, good evening, Jets. So, for this operation, ay hatiin natin yung team into two. Alpha and Bravo. So, head is Manta, long range 3-1, si Jarm dyan. Lawin 3-1, ako dyan. And then Alpha, Red Alpha, actual is Chris with Gian and Sai. And then Bravo, Don will be doing the actual with Justin in 1. So, mangyari ito magiging task natin. Lawin, ako na yung mag-control sa kanya, isa siyang ISR. Or siya rin magko-coordinate mga artillery fire. And then kayo naman, Alpha and Bravo, will be going in, mag-ano kayo ng buy an amphibious vehicle. Heading nyo dito. So makikita nyo dito sa may grid 084131. Yan ang magiging yung ruta. And then gigilidan nyo na lang yan. Hanggang sa LG Alpha. So mangyayari is ma-divided yung zones, yung AO natin into zones. Zone 1, Zone 2, hanggang Zone 11. Tatandaan nyo lang, Zone 10 and Zone 11 sa may south side ng AO, it will be tasked to our friendlies tibak. Sa kanila na rin yan. So sa atin lang is yung any remaining zones, tayo makiklear nyan. Pagka ready na kayo to engage, is ang mag-initiate is yung mortar. So i-radyo nyo lang sa akin and then magsisend tayo ng artillery rounds. Unang target natin is yung mortar asset nila. Nasa may grid 073137 sa may zone 8. Yun ang una engage and then susunod na lang natin yung mga confirmed threats na AA sa may zone 2 at armored vehicle na under camo tent dito sa zone 2. And basically yung gagawin natin, i-isolate natin ang zone 1 para maklear nyo siya ng maayos. Then ko-coordinate nyo sa Lawin yung movement nyo bago kayo mag-proceed sa zone 2. Kailangan ko kayong i-clear bago kayo mag-proceed sa zone 2. Kung saan kayo magpo-proceed, kung zone 2 or zone 3, up na yun sa leadership ninyo kung ano yung assessment ninyo sa situation. Another threat nyo is nandito sa may grid 072136. Yan is may static AA and meron ditong isang tank. Alright, let's see how we go. Good luck. Alright, dismiss na. We have 10 minutes to prepare and then form up ulit sa akin para sa ating step off.
Nandito pa yung spirito ni Sir Chris eh. Papalik na ata siya, sir. I-check ko na rin yung ano natin, sir.
With dangerous, we leave the APC. The enemy to take.
May cover yung kanay dyan. Uy, patayin niyo yung makina.
As far as I'm informed, we're gonna be, or have we already landed na ba?
Yes.
Kasi,
Right on Stingray Point.
okay, eyes on. So tapos na yung phase 1.
Yes.
We're just waiting for fire missions and then we're gonna be moving to sector 1, tama?
Eyes on splash.
Oh, flash.
She's
Alright.
on fire. Initiate your assault.
Alright.
Solid copy. Initiating assault. Alright, boys. Alam niyo na ang gagawin?
Yep.
Let's go!
IR, strobe, Sir Gem. Open, Sir Chris, come on.
Anong ano natin? Frequency natin? 201 lang?
0778.
Alpha 201 point.
Break 1363. Stingray, danger close. Fire support.
Solid copy. Standing by. Standby muna kayo. May danger
Masan,
close tayo ng
Lawin,
fire
send it.
support.
Copy.
Okay, once nag-land yung cells, initiate assault tayo.
Splash.
Copy, splash.
Okay, go, go, go. Initiate
Masan,
assault, push forward
Lawin,
tayo.
just fire.
Hide behind
Whoa! Uy! Arma. Shots. Alright. Watch north. Try to hit our fucking pushmaster. Pushmaster's hit. Fuck. Back it up, back it up. Back it up. Fucking hell, it's so bright. Ow, 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 ow. Gotta push through, Sir Jim. Security, security.
Sino may morphine?
I got morphine for you if you need it.
I'll get it from the backpack.
Copy, make sure you don't overdose yourself. Sir 1, watch that corner, please.
Mount tayo. Reinforcement. Limits on.
What do I do, Sir Don? Hello, hello, hello. Yo,
Once clear yan, mag-set up kayo ng ano, pwede natin pag-crossan doon sa may bar. Ito sa bar na to ha.
copy.
Bounding, sir. Copy.
Doon yan. Tatawid kayo, Justin, and Juan, i-investigate ko lang yung Andor kung may survivor.
Oh, yeah.
Copy. We're bounding towards the barn where you exactly said, alright? Contacts, front. Shit! Ah, fuck. That's jail. Justin's down. Fucking hell, put him back. Injecting morphine, give me a bit. I'm gonna need this hit. Jesus Christ, where's Sir Gem? He's not okay, he's not okay. We need a proper medic.
Punta na tayo ng
Aboy,
south, and then pa-west, pa-jungle.
Copy.
Iiwasan natin yung dense na city na
What
to.
about zone
Try muna
1, sir?
natin i-take tong sector or zone 1 through distance dito sa jungle.
Copy. Let's move up. Alright, move up, Sergeant. Come on, double time.
Go, sir. Go ahead.
Okay. Right. Oh shit. That sounds like armor.
Get down.
I'm gonna go whip out my AT. Hello DLC. I will not download you. Sir, clear back blast. Visual on tank. Visual on tank.
You're clear.
Rocket, rocket, rocket. Tank hit on the side. That's the ammo. Get together. Back blast clear. Oh shit.
Putang na.
Fucking shit. I already requested.
I'm up, I'm up, I'm up, I'm up, I'm up. Ow, 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 ow.
Contact front, contact front.
Oh shit. I got him. I think I have visual on that PRTM Sir Jim was talking about. Rocket, rocket, rocket! A little short. Okay, okay, okay. He's not chill. Careful, buddy. Ready on your green light.
Go, 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 go.
I'm off, thank you. About time I caught up with you guys, coming from behind. Watch it. What's our frequency? 201 copy.
Cross them.
Copy.
Go, go.
Jet moving.
Wallet.
Jesus Christ, they are. Fire's coming from that direction, most likely. This is GN. Me and Sai are gonna go clear out that two-story house where that fire is coming from. What's your fire, please? On me, Sir Sai. Moving.
Second floor, second floor.
Copy.
Get down,
Moving in
get
right now.
down.
Shit, it's empty.
Rooftop 290.
We're set where we are in this two-story building. If you have visual on us.
Yep, I see you. Nandito lang kami sa likod nyo.
Copy.
Civilian po sa may 290. Dalawa. Times
Fucking hell, down low on the streets. Get out. Blow, 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 blow. Shit. Shit. Yo, friendly coming in. Friendly coming in.
Lapit sa akin, lapit sa akin.
Yep.
Ito ang gagawin natin. Ngayon, open your maps. Andito tayo ngayon.
Yes, sir.
Okay? We're gonna be moving through here. Then, check this. Then, once na na-clear tong house na to, kasi as per recon, parang may stronghold dito. Tama?
Oh shit, okay.
Okay?
Copy.
Okay, sir.
Once okay na yan, It's gonna be a risky move pero we're gonna be moving sa zone 9 from there. Okay, sino ang point man?
I can take point.
Defibrillator mo.
Okay, let's go.
Green light. Set.
Go, 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 go.
Guns up, guns up, guns up, guns up. There's this building.
Go Bravo, go Bravo. Go Alpha, go Alpha.
Watch this corner. High low.
High low.
Copy. Oh shit, shots coming off.
Sniper, sniper, sniper!
We got smoke. Anyone? Smoke screen is up. I think we're set to move.
Okay, move.
Move it, let's go.
Chris, covering fire, covering fire.
Set.
Clear, clear.
Moving. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Shit. The door. Kick. Moving in. Ground floor clear.
Copy, check second floor.
257 from us. There is an AR suppressing our position.
Yeah, nakikita ko. Ina-engage ko siya.
Jesus Christ. Whoa, 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 whoa! Fucking hell. Status, status, status. We just got hit hard. Someone check on Surgeon right now. What the fuck was that? Surgeon was last seen at the second floor. Someone gotta check on him.
Check ka na lang, sir.
Go ahead. Oh my fucking god, what happened? Oh fuck, I'm stuck in the rubble. Shit. Oh. Shit. Shit. You're done. Done, wake up. Got you. We got hit. We got hit. Broken arrow. Broken arrow. We're not doing fine. This is surgeon. Oh, nice. We can do.
This is Apollo, this is Apollo.
Alright, thank you. Fill our point. Shit. Greta.
Stingray, this is Maya. I can see like multiple enemies approaching your current boss. I will be engaging.
Copy.
Danger close.
Danger
Oh, copy.
close. Copy, copy, copy. What's
Mark
the
your
fire?
position with smoke or laser. Oh, copy.
Patching up on Sir Chris.
Eyes on. Eyes on. I see you guys. Dito na kayo.
Anything west or northwest of us, you're clear to fucking turn it to flat ground.
Copy. Heads down. Danger close.
Copy. Santier! Pull out, pull out!
User left your channel.
Fucking hell. Let's go! Come on! No, no. We're getting the hell out of Dodge. Come on.
Stingray, this is Maya. Relaying information to from Manta. Mag-fallback na daw kayo. Fallback, fallback.
Copy to where? Landing zone Alpha? Shit, Apollo! Get over this wall right now, man. Nice, okay. Let's move, Sir Apollo. Go, don't turn back. Come on, double time. Ah, fuck. Ow. I'm alright. Just keep going, just keep going.
Tara, tara.
Ay, shit.
Surgeon is down, Surgeon is down.
Stingray, sino tong kausap ko ngayon?
This is Apollo, sir.
Solid copy.
Okay, Surgeon, okay, Surgeon. Surgeon.
Blow.
Thank you.
Officers of the boys.
We're currently on Street 074137.
Holy shit. Be advised, merong isang truck with a ZSU on the back of it. Approaching your position, over.
Stay close. Why are you getting hit bad? That's 280.
I'm up!
They should be in here. Climbing over the wall. Whoa, friendly.
We get blue, 6.
Whoa! Shit! Aray ko, my bad.
Munti ka na mga PG.
Yep. I think I got shot though. Shit. Shit, I'm hit. Stand by.
Okay, group up on me. Andito kami sa may corner.
26.
Alright, once na natapos yung times 4 na HE natin, we're going to assault that area, okay?
Place not big enough to hit us.
No, danger close. Stick to the wall.
Yep. That's them.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Go. Open. I'm moving.
Oh shit, sorry. Clear. Whoa. What's that?
Sa kabila.
Fucking hell. Get us down.
Okay dyan. Cover na lang, pa-cover.
Get him up. Sorry, what the hell is that sound?
Yes, sir.
Sir, be advised, there's a siren coming off.
Air
300.
siren.
Shit, I think they're zeroing in on us.
Move.
Let's get a move on. Come on. Oh, right there. Ay, kaki! No max! Get him.
Changing map.
Oh! He's down. Ready? Moving.
Ready? Go.
Oh, one more door. Set.
Banner ready.
Okay,
Oh shit, enemy! Oh my goodness. Oh, what the fuck?
Shots coming from 280. I'm up.
Northwest.
I'm up. See side down.
West of your building, there's one
Apollo,
times
critical si Sai,
internal
Apollo.
west.
Copy, sir, sa taas. Dito kami sa may balcony sa taas.
Nasa baba nyo lang, may ikot. Nasa west nyo. Currently southwest na.
Ayan.
Come on, move, Zaz.
Currently south of your building right now.
Sir Jim.
Be advised, Stingray, meron pang may nakaman pads over.
Just go, Sir Jim.
Si... Oh, shit.
Ano, Sir Jem?
Si Sir Jem yun,
That
yung
was Sir
sinuntok
Jem.
niya yung ano.
ID your targets, please. That was a blue one, blue. Combat stress, boys. Be careful. Moving back in.
Be advised, di ako masyado makalapit. Meron pa rin, may nakaman pads pa rin.
Copy. We'll deal with it soon as we get Sir Jim.
I can commit to fast drifts, pero that's about it. Na-down ko na yung mortar placement.
Copy.
I'm committing 1 times drift. That's down.
Hello, sir. Blue and blue ata.
Okay, radio check. Sino mga dito na?
Dave Jolly, Apollo.
Okay, lahat andito pa touch map wet.
There you go. Alright.
Ay! Tara. On the way na kami dyan, Jem.
Copy.
Plano namin, Jem. Diba na-clear nyo na yung AB04 and AB03? Tas last post nyo kanina sa may zone 9. Babalik kami zone 9, then from there we'll cut across west. Just across ng road na yun dun sa may zone 8 na like cluster of buildings. Then from there,
yung AB02.
yes, from there we'll cut across north to AB02. We're currently moving to last position, which is zone 9. Then from zone 9 we'll cut across to zone 8. Then ay assault namin yung AB02 with Pandur.
Stamina break lang po, sir, pagdating ko po dyan.
Copy. After that, Gian, take point papunta sa AB02. Ay, correction, to zone 9. Then from zone 9, go pa rin, take point to zone 8.
Copy. Move towards zone 9.
Yep, firm, go move.
Copy. Moving. The open here. Let's move to the house to the right.
Go move. By 2 scope.
Set. I'm engaging.
Crossing. Last man. Follow. Okay, Gian, move na. Double time tayo. Continue. Gian, ano status mo?
May kalaban dito sa AB02.
Copy, double timing na kami. Okay, cut across na tayo. Straight, AB02 na. Go.
You get targets internal.
Shit, sir, size down. Sir Couple, how copy? Oh, fuck. Shit, Couple and size down.
Kung kaya mong mag-retreat back dito sa kung nasa nakapwesto yung ano ko.
Stand by. Moving to you right now.
Tapos na. Hindi, down pa. Officer, bahala dito. Pakuha na isa.
Copy.
Patching up, sir, Copen.
What the hell? I'm up.
Push.
I'm up.
Analyze.
Grayson, andito kami sa may kwan.
I'm up, sir.
7.
Blue, 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 blue.
Malapit sa, nasa south ng AB02.
Copper, gising.
Dito muna po kami, sir. Kasama ni Sir Copen po.
The couple is still going.
Copy. I am near the CCP. Lakad na lang.
Yung nasa may southeast ng 45. Direct southeast of the 45 marker. Ayos ka?
Wait. Kita ko on fire yung vehicle ko.
Security iba, security iba.
I got it, I got it, I got it.
Guys, pasok dito, pasok dito. Clear this fucking building. Confirm. Sino may rocket?
I do. Yes, that's it, right there.
Uy, putong ina.
Oh my goodness. Watch out for the laser.
Welcome back.
Hindi ko na kayo.
My finger was off the left mouse button. It is 5 o'clock in the morning.
Enemy bearing 289.
That might be the 105.
Is it a cluster bomb?
It sounds like a battery. Like artillery barrage.
Ayun, ayun na, nagda-drop na. Okay,
Nice.
Yuko.
Oh, ninato niya.
Yep.
Holy shit. What the fuck?
Double time.
MG on the right, MG on the right.
Pick up to the left.
Go. Jem, tuloy na. Open tayo sa kanan.
I got your left.
Someone on this one.
Set. Taking right ako, Jem.
To the right.
Switch, someone switch. GG.
Got it.
Holding ako.
I'm on the door.
May nakita po ako sa loob, sir.
Oh shit.
Hindi ko po alam kung friendly. So, enemy yata po sa loob, sir.
They're inside. Bang.
Tagal for tayo.
Oh my god. Sir Jem, please put on an iris stroke.
You shoot me again, I'll make sure you never stay awake.
First love you.
Second floor is clear.
You guys hit?
It went over my fucking ear.
Oh shit. Dragging Sir Couple's ass out. Sir Jem?
I'm up.
I'm alive, alert, awake, enthusiastic.
Again.
Copy.
Okay, everyone move. Nasaan ka na, Jem?
Nasa north compound ng position yan right now.
Okay, sorry. Copy. Direct north.
Yep.
Copy, moving. Status.
Going there, sir.
Grayson Green.
That's him.
Down si Jem.
Popping smokes. I got him.
Okay. I'll cover you. Kunin mo si Jem ah. Wait.
Smoke swing coming up. Hello.
Go. Get Jem.
Check your fire.
I'm covering.
Gonna bend here. I got him.
Pull back. Follow cover.
I'm coming from the back.
Shift fire northeast. Northeast to north. Grayson, shift fire north to northeast. We got enemies fucking close. Get inside the fucking building.
Pa-cover na lang kami.
Grayson, bato ang granada. 10 meters in front. Then
I'm immune na.
He's out.
spacing. Holy shit, walang magtitik. I repeat. Say again. Get out. Ayun!
Hindi. Maniwala ka saan. 07111382 or 3. 1383.
Hindi, wag 3. Masyado na malapit yan. 105 yun.
Okay na.
07111383 and we're fucking bolting it out here.
Gabi.
Run! Takbo na!
Everyone fucking run!
Itawag mo na?
Yeah, fall back southeast.
Come on, run! That's probably the third.
Gabi.
Copy.
Okay, tara. Ay, huwag mo takbuhin! Go. Lumipad.
For Philippines!
Pasaklan.
Teka. May explosive sa right side mo, Kopet. Ay, left side mo.
Left, right.
May mga mines. I think clear na.
Ano ba yan?
Oo, wala na akong makita.